Let's learn basic, commonly used English words. You can listen to these words to improve your pronunciation and also to understand when and where to use it. Sunrise. The sun rises in the east. Bus. This is my school bus. House. This house is very big. Pen. I have a new pen. Bed. I am sleeping on my bed. Wash. She is washing the clothes. Dirty. His clothes are very dirty. Dream. I dream a lot. Garden. The garden is beautiful. Sunset. What a beautiful sunset. Chair. This chair is comfortable. Table. The books are on the table. Pencil. This is my pencil. Sleep. It's time to sleep. Television. I bought a new television. Eat. E is eating a banana. Travel. E is traveling. Drive. E is driving the car. Jogging. I like jogging. Play. The children are playing in the garden. Hide. The cat is hiding. Walk. Let me go for a walk. Fly. The bird is flying. Move. They are moving their house. Look. Look at that. Short. He is shorter than me. Delicious. It's very delicious. Push. He is pushing the car. Close. Can I close the box? Make. She is making green tea. Say. She is saying something. Show. He is showing his forefingers. Start. Let's start our work. Think. Let me think about it. Turn. Turn off the light, please. Use. I use my chopsticks. Work. They are working. Go. She is going to college. Finish. Let me finish it now. Mix. She is mixing the eggs. Listen. He is listening to music. Late. Oh no, I am late to office. Angry. He is very angry. Break. The broken egg. Swim. She is swimming. Write. I am writing a letter. To pick. He is picking up the flowers. Lock. Please lock the door. Dry. My clothes are drying. Fun. Let's have fun.